Welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Sairam all of you. You are attending the series Let's Learn English with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. Okay. So we were doing the sounds of the letters. So we are continuing again and now we are going to see rules of the sounds for the letter A. Okay. Let us see. How and when to use the alphabet sounds correctly. Okay. So only when we know the rules properly that we can use the alphabets, words and the sounds properly. Correct usage of the 4 sounds of letter A. The important rules of the first sound A is first sound of the vowel letter A as in rat, a, okay, cat, a. The rule 1, when the letter A comes between 2 consonants, then the sound is as in cat, a, rat, a, mat, a, pat, a, sat, a. Okay. Now see 2 consonants. Now what do you mean by the vowel letter A comes between 2 consonants? So now see C and T are consonants, okay, and A is a vowel. So when the vowel letter comes between the 2 consonant letters, then the sound is A. So last time you had asked me, ma'am, when to say A, when to say A, isn't it? So that now you come to know. That time I did not tell you because it will be too much for you, okay. Now as we learn English, little by little, I will give you small doses extra, okay. Yes, very good. See, when you go to the doctor, what happens if you are not well? First 2 days he will give you a small pill, okay, or a small, little quantity of, the syrup. But then if it doesn't come to you well, then what he does? He increases the doses, right? Like that way only. In English also the same thing, the same rule applies. See, when we learnt earlier the 4 sounds of A, if I would have told you this A is between, 2 consonants and all, then you would say, oh, English is so difficult, right? But now, since you know so many words and alphabets and so many letters and then also the sounds, you feel it is very easy to make small words with the correct pronunciation, okay? Very good. So when the letter A comes between 2 consonants, then the sound is as a in cat, rat, mat, pat, sat, okay? So the first sound is A. Now, but A should not be followed by the consonant letters Y, W, R and S. Now, what do you mean by this? Now, first time you told that A is followed by, is between the 2 consonants, P and T are consonants, okay. So, A is a vowel. Now, here you are saying, but should not be followed. A should not be followed. Followed means here, the next, by Y, W, R, S. Now, what is this Y, W, R, S? These are vowels or a consonant? Consonants, but it should not. For example, way, A. See the sound? Way, W, A, Y, way. Okay. We don't say wa. We say way. Okay. Ray, R, A, Y, ray, because both are consonants. R is also a consonant, Y is also consonant, but when A is followed by Y, then the sound changes to A. Way, ray, say, S-A-Y, say, may, M-A-Y, may, saw, S-A-W, saw. See, aw, the sound changes now. Aw, saw, raw, R-A-W, raw, was, see, aw, was, paw, P-A-W, paw, etc. Okay. So now when A is followed by consonant letters Y, W, R, S, the sound changes, but before it is as in A, okay. Cat, rat, mat, before. Okay, now important rules for the second sound of A. What is the second sound of A? Yes, like ah, that is car, jar, ah. Okay. Now the rule is when the letter A is followed by the consonant letter R, the sound is as in car, that is ah, jar, etc. Okay. Now see here, C-A-R, car. So C is also a consonant, R is also a consonant. When this is A is between the two consonant letters, but the second consonant letter after A is R, that is R, then you say R. Okay. When the letter A is followed by RE, the sound is as in care, care, air. So, care, mare, M-A-R-E, mare, share, S-H-A-R-E, share, scare, S-C-A-R-E, scare. Okay? When the words end with an, A-L, A-R, A-N-T, A-N-C-E, then the letter A sounds as in urban, normal, urban, normal, N-O-R-M-A-L, pillar, so pillar, constant, C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T, constant, assistance, A-S-S-I-S, T-A-N-C-E, assistance, see, A-N-C-E. So, here after T is A-N-C-E, assistance. Okay. So, now you know the meanings of what we have learnt now. Everything, everybody is clear with the sounds, when to pronounce what, which sound. Okay. Yes, very good. Now, the important rule for third sound of A. Now, A has 4 sounds, right? So, we have done the first 2 and now we are doing the third one. The third sound of letter A is as in rate, A, plate, P-L-A-T-E, plate. Okay? When the letter A comes between 2 consonants, but after the letter A, the letter E is followed so as to sound as in rate, gate, plate. Understood? Yes. Okay. Now the fourth sound of A. Now let us see the fourth sound of A. The fourth sound of A is as in all, that is all, also, also, A-L-S-O, also. We don't say also or ilso. It is also. Wall, W-A-L-L, wall, okay. The fourth sound is a. The rule is all the words starting with A-L or ending with A-L-L, all the letter A sounds as in altar, tall, fall, mall, call, already. So, see everywhere the sound is altar. Okay. Now, we have the game time. All of you have understood all the 4 sounds of A and when it should be sounds, those sounds. Okay. Now, how do you pronounce it? All these words you tell me. The sound of A. Can you tell the sound of A of all this? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, correct. Yes, correct. So, all, A-L-L, all. Then, pillar, yes, pillar, P-I-L-L-A-R, pillar, correct. Then, yes, constant, C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T, constant. Then, yes, correct, care, C-A-R-E, care, yes, very good. Then, Again, yes, mat. Very good. M-A-T-E, mat. So, what is A sound? A. Then fair, F-A-R-E, fair. Okay. Then alter. Yes, very good. A-L-T-E-R, alter. Yes. Then scare. Again here, a. Scare, S-C-A-R-E, scare. So, very good children, you are improving very well. Thank you for watching Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's Learn English series. Please, I request you to subscribe our channel, YouTube channel with Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Okay? And press the bell icon because you will get new notification of our new videos loaded. I know that you are all waiting for the new videos, okay, every time to keep on and on. English is really unlimited, but in the starting you have to pay attention and at least for 15 minutes you have to concentrate and listen. Listen to me daily, okay? And if you like, press the like button, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.